Hello, hello. So today we're going to do a quick Dollar General haul. I normally don't go here too often, but I stop in around the holidays and especially around the spring because they have really cute garden items. And if you stay tuned at the end of the video, you will see all the photos of all the things that they have for spring, and you're going to want to rush there because their prices are pretty reasonable as well. So to get started, if you remember 2 summers ago, we made the placemat purses with the round ones from Dollar Tree, and we used a jump rope for the strap. I saw these and I instantly thought, how cute is this? You can get some green string to use. We used white before. You can thread it too. I'll post the video below, so if some of you are interested in making this yourself, you can. I did get 2 of these, but the only thing I want to tell you, if you do get the watermelon ones, you want to make sure that when you put your purse together, maybe put that where it joins at the bottom so that it doesn't look like it's out of place, because it won't match up on both sides. So just, pay attention to that. I did get a jump rope that matched. They had them in, let's see here. Did I get it here? Oh, I must have got it from Dollar Tree. I got a green jump rope to match this. So in my next haul, I will show you the green jump rope, and I will make this and I will share it with all of you so you can see how cute it turned out. But I don't have the jump rope right now. I will do that with my next Dollar Tree haul in the next few days. So these were really cute. They are only $1 at Dollar Tree, but these are $2 there. But they are even cute if you wanted to do your patio with these. They have a watermelon theme that you'll see the photos at the end. They have cups and dish towels and all kinds of fun things. So these I got at Dollar General. I have Easter coming up, and my son's girlfriend has a little niece, so I wanted to make her a cute little Easter item with a little basket, and I thought this doll was so cute. They have several different ones. They're only $5 a piece, and I'm going to put her in the basket. I might even put the year and her name on the bottom with some vinyl. I just thought she was adorable. And they have these with blonde hair and different dolls as well. Here is this cute towel. They have the dishes, as I said, to match. So sweet summertime. I thought that this was so fun with the watermelon with summer coming up. I got this really cute Mickey Mouse planter. So what I thought would be really fun, and they're only $6. They had Mickey and Minnie. There is a Minnie Mouse one too. So what I want to do is I want to put in like a fluffy plant, and I had made these cute little Mickey Mouse to stick in flowers. So what I was thinking of doing is, once I have my plant in here for the body, I was thinking of taking and making a bigger Mickey Mouse head and sticking it in here so that his head would match. And I used Mod Podge on this so that it could stay outside. So I thought that that was really cute. And for $6, that is a great price for the Disney. And at the end, I have photos of the other planters that they have as well. These are what I go there for, which is these really cute little fairy items. So this is the wishing well. These were only $1. $1. And here's a cute little mushroom house. And I got a few other little fairy garden items because I just couldn't resist. So at the end of the video, you are going to be able to check them all out. But here is what I thought was so cute, was they now have the little luau. They're only $1. The little luau gnome and fairy garden. So here is those. Here is the little palm tree. This would be really cute, like if you do a planter and you maybe make a little luau theme. Here is a little pavement, so you could put it down and it's a pave. Here is fairies welcome, little sign. These are all $1 a piece. And this one was only $1 as well. And here is the little gnome. So again, if you stay tuned, you will be able to see all the pictures of everything that I took, because of course I didn't want them all, but you all might be looking for something. So you'll want to check those out at the very, very end of the video. And I do have another Dollar Tree haul coming up soon, along with my giveaways coming up. I'm hoping, we're supposed to have 60-degree weather on the weekend, so I'm trying to get it where I can unload and unpack everything so that I can do those giveaways for all of you. So thank you very much for watching. Have fun. Check out everything at your Dollar General, and I will be with you again very, very soon. Thanks. Bye now.